Hey, welcome back to Our Family Bee. I'm Brigitte, and in this video, I have a little something special for you, and it has to do with this. Stay tuned to find out what it is. Alright OFB family, this is an extra bonus video for you this week, and I just wanted to tell you all about these little glasses that I got. We had a company called Zimpf reach out to us and they sent us 2 pairs of glasses, so I'm gonna take you back in time so you can see me unboxing it, and then I'm gonna give you a couple weeks out update to tell you how I've been liking them since then. So let's go back in time. Guys, I have something really exciting to share with you. I got something special in the mail. So a little while ago, we had a company reach out to us and wanted to send us something to try. So I'm gonna open it for you guys. Ooh, there's 2 things in here. Here's 1. Here's 2. So we had an eyeglass company called Zimpf reach out to us, and they were so kind as to send 2 glasses with my prescription on it, and I got to choose the frames, and their website was really easy to use on first impressions. And so I'm gonna open these up and show you guys what I got. The first pair, thank you Knife Man. Might as well do this one while you're at it. Alrighty. Pull these right out. Very sleek. It says, making a difference you can see. Thank you for your purchase. So inside it says everything about your glasses, what their promise is, how to clean them, adapting your new glasses if you need to adjust them, how to adjust them on your temples, adjusting the nose pad. So it gives you all these different directions on how you can do it, because this is an online eyeglass company that you can buy from, and so you don't have someone there adjusting it for you, so it tells you how to do it, which is really cool. This is the first pair that I picked. They have a wide variety of glasses on their website: sunglasses, regular glasses, reading glasses, lots of different glasses. Comes with a little eyeglass cleaning cloth. And these are the first pair. Really cute, very lightweight, which I like. Temple piece is very thin. Do a little cleaning before I put them on for the first time. So this one that I chose does not have the nose pads that come here. It's just the plastic part of the frame. Ooh, very comfortable. Very lightweight, which I like, especially because, you know, wearing them all day gets pretty heavy. Okay, how to switch lighting and angles and stuff. So these are the Poseidon square, black square, and I really do like them. They're very lightweight. They're very thin on the side. They don't, I mean, without even adjusting them, they don't like sit too like much onto my temples and head to where they like that pressure, you know, can sometimes hurt with new glasses. I like them. I don't feel like they're too big for my face. And sometimes, like when I smile, my cheeks will hit glasses, and these are pretty good. Like I don't feel like they move. Like, I feel like they'll stay. I can't wait to try them out at work tomorrow. You know, I wear a mask obviously at work, and I think it'll fit right under. At the moment we're filming this, these glasses on the website are $32. We are going to have a discount code for you guys in the description box below if you're interested. This is not a sponsored video, but they wanted our honest review, so I'm giving you my actual opinions as of right now after unboxing it and wearing them for a little bit here. What do you think? Do you like? And also for these on the Poseidons, I upgraded them to be blue light blocker glasses. So you can always have the option to add that to whatever frames you want, which is really cool. Because, you know, with prescription, you can't, unless you order them prescription and blue light, like who wants to wear those goggles that are blue light blockers like on top of your glasses? Like that's just way uncomfortable and not cool. So it's cool that I was able to add these so I can work on the computer at night and have blue light blockers in them. So super cool. Let's see what the next pair looks like. Pair number 2. These next ones are called Delicate Browline Tortoise. So these ones come open. They have this little thing on it. Let's take that off. Another glass cleaning cloth. Let's do a little wipe here. And these ones actually do have the nose pieces. So depending on what style you want. Okay, these are the Delicate Brow Line Tortoise ones. Ooh, yes. They're very comfortable. I love that they're lightweight because it is something I actually looked at to compare to the other glasses that I have, and I do like that they're lightweight. I don't want to feel like, you know, I'm only maybe a few years into actually wearing glasses pretty much full time, and so I don't want something that's super heavy on me because it was already like an adjustment, and so I really like the weight. I feel like they fit. I don't feel like they're big. When I smile, they don't like scrunch my cheeks, but they're not like small either. I like that they're the bigger frames, you know? Very comfortable. Like the length is nice. I don't feel like they're gonna like fall off at all. So I really like them. So if you like these pair, they were $27 online, and like I said before, if you click on the link in our description box, you'll get a coupon code and check out if you want to get any on the website. And that way you can check out and see if there's any other ones on the website you want to get. Pretty cool. I like them. I'm really excited to wear one of these to work tomorrow and see how they go. So exciting, you guys. Shopping online with Zenf makes it really easy because you don't have to go places. You can just put in your prescription. They send it right to your door. It's not that expensive. And so far, I like them. Okay, back to present time. And so I just want to give you a little update. These are the Delicate Brow Line. And let me tell you, I've been wearing these every day at work and obviously on the weekends during the day. And they are so lightweight. They do not hurt my head. They do not pinch or fall or cause me headaches, which actually my other pair of glasses, I had to have them adjusted like 3 or 4 times, and they just would give me headaches sometimes. The pressure would just irritate my head, you know, I don't know. But these are so lightweight. I do not feel pressure at all, and they sit very comfortably on my face. I wear a mask right underneath and does not have any problems. So I would definitely recommend this kind. You know, it's a little bit bigger framed, but if you're into that like I am, then definitely check these out. Remember, there's a coupon code in the description box below. If you are interested, make sure you use our coupon code, which is OUR, O-U-R, and get yourself a discount. And then also, I've really been loving these, which have the blue light blockers in them for when I'm editing at night. I do like these a lot too. I only wear them really at night at this point, but they are also very comfortable, very lightweight, but I don't feel like they're gonna break on me or anything like that. So I would recommend these too. These are the Poseidon. So listen, my over week review on these things is no complaints. I mean, I was trying to find something, but honestly, I can't. They fit great right out of the box. I didn't even have to adjust them at all. Like I said, I've been wearing them every day, especially these, all day at work, and really, I mean, nothing. And they're not expensive, so they're definitely worth a shot. That's it for this video, you guys. Make sure you're subscribed down below because we upload videos every Tuesday and Friday, and you don't want to miss Tuesday's video. Until we meet again, don't forget, life is better together.